NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is the United States government agency responsible for the civilian space program, as well as aeronautics and space research. NASA was established in 1958, succeeding the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, and is headquartered in Washington, D.C. NASA's mission is to drive advances in science, technology, aeronautics, and space exploration to enhance knowledge, education, innovation, economic vitality, and stewardship of Earth. Some of NASA's key accomplishments include the Apollo program, which successfully landed astronauts on the Moon in 1969. The Space Shuttle program, which operated from 1981 to 2011 and was used for a variety of missions, including launching and servicing satellites, conducting scientific research, and building the International Space Station, ISS. The Exploration Program, which includes the development of the Orion spacecraft and the Space Launch System, SLS, rocket, as well as plans for future human missions to the Moon and Mars. The Discovery Program, which includes a series of robotic missions to explore the solar system, such as the Mars rovers and the Cassini spacecraft, which explored Saturn and its moons. The Earth Science Program, which uses satellites and other instruments to study the Earth and its climate. NASA also works closely with other space agencies around the world, such as the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Russian Space Agency, Roscosmos, on international space missions. NASA's goal is to continue to advance space exploration, scientific discovery, and aeronautics research to benefit humanity and to support the United States space exploration. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, has accomplished many significant achievements since its establishment in 1958. Some of the most notable achievements include Apollo program. NASA successfully landed astronauts on the Moon in 1969 as part of the Apollo program, fulfilling President John F. Kennedy's goal of landing a man on the Moon by the end of the 1960s. Space Shuttle Program. NASA operated the Space Shuttle program from 1981 to 2011, which was used for a variety of missions including launching and servicing satellites, conducting scientific research, and building the International Space Station, ISS. Exploration Program. NASA is currently working on the Exploration Program, which includes the development of the Orion spacecraft and the Space Launch System, SLS, rocket, as well as plans for future human missions to the Moon and Mars. Discovery Program. NASA has completed a series of robotic missions to explore the solar system, such as the Mars rovers, Opportunity and Curiosity, New Horizons probe that flew by Pluto, and the Cassini spacecraft that explored Saturn and its moons. Earth Science Program. NASA uses a fleet of Earth-observing satellites and other instruments to study the Earth and its climate, providing valuable data and insights about the planet and its environment. The James Webb Space Telescope, NASA and European Space Agency's collaboration, which is set to launch in 2021, will be the most powerful space telescope ever built and will be able to observe the first galaxies that formed in the early universe and study the formation of stars and planets. Aeronautics Research. NASA has achieved many achievements in aeronautics research, such as developing new technologies to reduce aircraft noise, improve fuel efficiency, and increase the safety of air travel. These achievements are just a few examples of NASA's contributions to the advancement of space exploration and scientific discovery. NASA continues to push the boundaries of what is possible and strive to uncover new knowledge and understanding about our universe.